Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you daily news reports analyzing and breaking down the drama about the royal family. Today, we have an explosive story that has been making headlines all around the world. Prince Harry, the once beloved royal and husband to Meghan Markle, has found himself caught in a web of lies. The High Court has recently unmasked his dishonesty, and we have all the shocking details. The Duke of Sussex, Prince Harry, has experienced a huge difficulty in the High Court after an appointed authority disallowed him, expressing that he made various wrong cases during his fight in court, moving the choice to eliminate his citizen subsidized security while visiting the UK. The decision, conveyed by Mr. Equity Path, featured 7 key cases made by Prince Harry that were viewed as inaccurate or deluding. This managed an overwhelming disaster for the Duke's endeavors to re-establish his full police insurance. As indicated by reports by Express, the case spun around a 2020 choice by the Leader Panel for the Insurance of Sovereignty and well-known individuals to eliminate Prince Harry's programmed right to police security following his choice to move away from regal obligations. Prince Harry contended that this choice left him and his family powerless and demanded being qualified for similar degree of safety as different individuals from the imperial family while visiting the UK. Notwithstanding, Mr. Equity Path tracked down the choice to give security to Prince Harry dependent upon the situation, contingent upon the degree of danger at some random time, to be lawfully strong. The main mistaken guarantee featured by the appointed authority connected with Prince Harry's attestation that the choice was made stealthily without his insight. The judgment expressed that this was bogus, referring to a January 2020 record from Buckingham royal residence cautioning the Duke that he would probably require private security later on. Besides, Prince Harry guaranteed he ought to get an continuous presence of assurance while visiting the UK, which the appointed authority solidly dismissed. He decided that the uncommonly concocted process for deciding the sovereign's security needs was suitable, and there was no reason for him to have a long-lasting defensive detail. The decision likewise reprimanded Prince Harry for offering deceiving expressions about conversations with previous RAVIC director Sir Richard Mottram in regards to security courses of action. It found that in opposition to the Duke's cases, Sir Richard had plainly imparted that choices would be presented on a defense-by-case premise in view of assessed dangers. In general, Mr. Equity Path was scorching in his evaluation of Sovereign Harry's legitimate contentions, expressing that his attorneys had taken on an improper, formalist translation of RAVIC's strategies and methodology. He excused declarations that the Duke had been dealt with unreasonably or uniquely in contrast to other imperial relatives. This exhaustive loss brings up difficult issues about Prince Harry's judgment in seeking after the case and has without a doubt left his standing battered. While there are plans to pursue, the English public might be becoming tired of the drawn-out fights in court. This bombed court fight addresses one more mishap in Prince Harry's endeavors to fix delicate associations with his dad, King Charles III, and sibling, Prince William. It likewise represents a monetary test as Harry faces lawful costs running into the many thousands. The more extensive ramifications of the decision stay dubious, however, could restrict Prince Harry's possibilities for safely visiting the UK later on. Well-being concerns might risk future excursions or require critical security help from private firms. As the Duke and Duchess of Sussex ponder their following stages, they should cautiously consider the ramifications of this lawful loss. With spans consumed on various fronts and a difficult street back to regal reclamation, their process ahead shows up progressively troublesome. For the workspace and supporters of dependable public spending, the High Court judgment approves RAVIC's direction with respect to imperial security. It supports the rule that citizen assets ought to be allotted in view of evaluated needs as opposed to honor or status. While Prince Harry keeps up with that the UK will constantly be his home, this deciding highlights the truth that since moving back from true obligations, the honors and insurances managed the cost of by his illustrious job have essentially changed. His bombed court try just sets the absolution of that partition. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be keeping a close eye on any further developments, and we'll be sure to bring you all the latest updates. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any breaking news about the royal family.